Chinese tech giants are cutting thousands of jobs right now, and AI is the official reason. But is that the whole story? You need to know what's really behind these layoffs today. In 2026, major Chinese tech companies like Alibaba, Baidu, and BYD are slashing their workforce, following a global trend led by Meta, Amazon, and Oracle. These layoffs are officially blamed on AI automation, but experts warn it's not just AI driving these cuts. It's also economic stagnation and government pressure for social responsibility. This means layoffs aren't purely about technology replacing jobs, but also broader economic challenges. Experts warn of the AI layoff trap. Companies automate roles to save money, but when too many people lose jobs, they have less money to spend. This hits sales and profits, creating a vicious cycle. So while AI cuts jobs fast, it also cuts the customer base companies rely on. This complex trap means short-term gains from automation may lead to long-term economic pain. The software sector is feeling the impact most acutely. Silicon Valley leaders, including the CEO of Box, say AI is restructuring the workforce in real time. This signals a major shift not just for tech, but for corporate America as a whole. As software jobs shrink, companies worldwide should prepare for similar workforce upheavals driven by AI. While AI-driven automation promises efficiency and cost cuts today, economists warn about long-term uncertainty. What looks like progress might become a foundational restructuring of the economy with unforeseen costs. Companies are racing to adopt AI, but the full economic impact, including job losses and reduced consumer demand, is still unfolding. If you work in tech or related fields, expect continued disruption. Job cuts at giants like Alibaba signal a global trend where AI reshapes who works and how. For consumers, less spending power could slow economic growth. Staying informed and adaptable is key as AI transforms the workforce and your career landscape. AI-driven layoffs at Chinese tech giants like Alibaba are more than just technology replacing jobs. Economic stagnation and government pressures play big roles too. This trend is reshaping the global workforce and economy, affecting millions. Stay ahead by understanding these changes. Subscribe now for the latest updates on how AI impacts your job and future.